Hello everyone. So I have this huge box that I have of stuff that I've pre-done that just need to get decorated or just haven't touched yet, that just needs to have homes and everything else. So I figured we could easily just grab some of these, a handful here and there, and just decorate a bit. You know, again, I have tons of just randoms sitting around here that just have not had anything. So I thought we could be doing that today. Have a bit of a play with these. I hope you enjoyed this video and everything. I thought, hey, I have all this stuff that's been just sitting here. That needs to go over there. Alright. So this is kind of like one of them use it up videos, because I need to use this stuff up. I keep on adding things to this and not ever doing anything with them. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Again, we're just gonna have a bit of a play. I keep tags and stuff, as you see, from the different places that I go to and everything, and it's just sitting. Now, I was thinking with these, I have a fun idea with these. I just need to add some paper to the back, I think. Yeah, we'll just add paper to the backs of these. Writing. Make these into journaling cards. So there's one part of the journaling card done. Now let's do this other half quick. Alright, and then we'll cut it out. So, not only does my daughter have pneumonia, but whatever virus caused her pneumonia, the rest of us got in the process of taking care of her. So, gotta love that. So you're probably going to hear me coughing a lot. My apologies, but it's just the way it is. There we go. All right. we go. And I think with this one, I'm going to do a little shabby dabby doodah trick here, just to give it a little bit more oomph, and because it's so shiny, it gives it more, like our little piece is going to collect that. It's just going to look more rougher, is what I should say. And I think with the shiny, when it's glossy like this, it is a little bit glossy, this, and I figured this way it holds in that a little bit better. This side, I don't have to worry about it because it's a piece of paper. Oh, alright. So something I can put in these two that would be cute. Just thinking him would be kind of cool. Maybe I'd put a stamp there. Yeah, let's do that. I know it looks a little different, but that's okay. Just wondering, would a piece of lace? Yeah, let's do that. Except I'm gonna just cut this off. A nice string of lace. Because I want the lace to not have that. Just cutting this apart. Oh, I'm so sorry if I'm mumbling. I'm not trying to mumble. Alright, I'm going to keep this part. It does good for tags. Then I'm going to grab my Fabri-Tac here and use that for this part. Now, do I want it on the top or do I want it on the bottom? I think I'm going to stick it on top. Okay. There we go. We're getting there. Okay. I'm going to glue this one on the top too. There we go. Oops, sorry. Ran into it. Okay. Now, let's add no. let's see if I have any more washi pieces somewhere in here. Ooh. Yes, like that. Except now I don't like him. Okay. Let's see. What else do I have sitting here? I like that. I don't know why, but I do. Okay. Well, that's how I'm gonna do it, I guess. Sometimes that's the way it goes. Ah, that plastic piece did not like me. So there, cute little journaling card. They'll fit right into something. Now let's go on to this one. What if I do it that way? Yes, I like it that way. Okay. Don't like these. I like them, but I don't. All at the same time. These stickers have a mind of their own. Just saying. There. We go. We got that other flashcard. So we got 2 flashcards into journaling cards is basically all I did today. I have to let you guys go. I'm really just not feeling good. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.